Are we ready?
Yeah!
Alright guys. What? Damn girl, you fancy already or what? Welcome to the Thai Live. Today we are going to unbox
What is
our
plaque.
YouTube plaque, okay?
So,
I had this like last week, but we've been so busy doing all kind of stuff, and we wanted to open as a family. Like, I didn't want to open this by myself because this is something means a lot, not just to me. How meaningful is it for you?
super!
Why?
Because it's our first plaque
Super.
And we're really happy that you got a first plaque. And
What about you, Colin? Are you excited?
100,000 subscribers.
What do you want to say, Carter?
Thank you for opening our plaque with us.
Or anything, Colin?
No.
All right, let's do it, guys. Let's open it up.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
you're scared.
Yeah. Ooh.
You're scared.
All right. Ooh, look at this. Wait, there is a note in here. Look, there's a note in here. And wait, Carter, hold on. Colin, will you be honored to read this note for us? Get in the middle, and will you be reading that for us, please?
And there's,
Hold on. Wait.
guys,
Show them.
stop.
Hold on. Go.
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your friend may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came up to your channel, your audience stayed and built their numbers, increased because of you and the community we built. We're proud of you. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. Who knows, when you reach your 1 million subscribers, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? And sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO.
Woo! Clap. Wow.
Can I read this one?
Okay, you can read it back the card.
Congratulations on your
subscriber milestone.
Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take a part of your
Recognizing your achievement.
your achievement and want to experience to be
Exceptional.
exceptional. This award was inspected and packed with
Package with great care.
packaged with great care. Rick.
Alright, that's good. You don't need to read that.
And guys,
No, you don't have to read that, baby.
wait,
What is it?
and there's also more and there's a golden one. Show them the diamond one.
Okay.
Show them the picture. No, I got it. So
All right.
look, it has the silver one that we have and the golden one and the
Alright, are we ready to open this up?
Yes.
Okay.
Woo-hoo. Wait. One person at a time. One person at a time.
It's silver.
Let. Ooh. What? Dang.
Oh, it has dust on it. We have to wipe that.
It's okay, but what does it say on here, guys? Read what the plaque say.
No. Presented to the Thai Life for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Dang, look how clean that plaque
So
looks.
bulky.
Ooh, it is sharp. Dang, look at they
It's very sharp.
look at that. Boom. 100.
Wait, that's so cool. 1,000%. They have little holes in the back. So
Yeah, for you to hang it up. Dang, what do you guys think?
It's awesome.
Dang, look at that. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
It's awesome.
Oh my god.
It's amazing.
It's also amazable.
You know how hard it is to get this?
Like
This took me 2 years.
No,
2 hard-working years of free, entertaining, passion, dedication, commitment. What else, guys? Late night,
and joy.
staying up,
Joy.
and bringing joy to the community. Look at that. How do you guys like that?
Amazing.
It's also amazable.
It's also amazing.
Alright, get in for picture. Get in for picture.
Yay, picture.
Get it? No, wait. Everybody stand still. We gotta make a thumbnail. There we go. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys continue to support the Thai life. And I hope you guys continue loving the content and everything that we bring to the future. And we love you and everything that you do for us.
And all I want to say, thank you for 100,000 subscribers. That's really meaningful to us, so thank you.
Oh, anything else, guys?
Yes.
What is it?
Thank you for guys to give us our subscribers.
Aw. Colin?
No, nothing.
Alright guys, thank you and we'll see you on the...
Next
one.
I'll be honest with you guys, I don't even know what this is gonna take me, but I just enjoy doing content so much, guys. It's like, it's so rewarding for me. You know, it's so rewarding for me. The fact that I can make content, I have viewers who enjoys my content, fans, you know, this, I don't care what nobody says, this is a big accomplishment to me, you know, and it's not even about money. It's really just an honor to know that, you know, this, just having this in your hand just makes you feel like you are truly a content creator who puts in so much time, effort, thought. I can't open this yet because I have to wait for my kids. I have to wait for my kids to get home. They want to open it with me because they're proud. They're proud, you know, they're proud of me. They're proud of me for things that I've accomplished and, you know, this is some awesome stuff, man. I appreciate it, y'all. I do. I appreciate it a lot, but thank you.